2008 Chevy Trailblazer SS. Well, they come in 5.3, don't they? 5.3 V8. Really nice truck. Got a really nice wheels on it. What we got done on it, it's got aftermarket high flow converters there and there. He had them put on somewhere else. Then we did a muffler delete, 3-inch, and replaced it with 3-inch pipe in the middle. Look how massive that muffler is. It's right there. And then we also did a rear resonator delete, but we did something special on it. We put a DYNOMAX race bullet right there and 5-inch tip, black tip. Part number on the DYNOMAX race bullet is 24251. So if you guys want that, there'll be a link in the description for it. There it is. There's that tip. It fits it perfectly, really cleanly, really nice. And guys, like always, please subscribe and like our videos so we can keep going and keep doing it. There's the muffler we cut off, and there is the resonator we cut off. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Woo-hoo! That's throaty right there. Yeah, those DYNOMAX race bullets. Oh man, that's so beast mode. There's sound decibels again. Right at 115. That's beast. Oh man, that's so good. There's everything we cut off right there, guys. It's so clean too. I love the look of it. Come get you. Look at that beast. Yeah, that's a beast truck right there. Oh man. What do you guys think? I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Trailblazer SS. 1 second, guys. Oh, that auto's beautiful. What do you guys think? I like the color too. And the wheels, he's gonna debadge it and bring all the badges black. So look really nice. You gotta admit the look is awesome though. Look at that. Oh, yeah, man. Woohoo! Look at that Chevy, man. Beast mode. That's definitely a beast mode right there. Oh man, that thing flies.